Hello everyone. Today we discuss the topic is solution and their types. First about the solution. What is solution? Solution is the mixture of the solvent and solute. It's called the solution. It's and their type is divided into the mainly three types. One is true solution, another one is colloidal solution, and a suspension solution. First, we see about the true solution. What is true solution? The homogeneous mixture of two or more substances where the solute is dissolved in the solvent is called the true solution. Here the size of the particle is less than 1 nanometer. The example of the true solution is when sugar or salt dissolved in water. As the mixture in the liquid phase and transparent, it allows the light it pass through the solution without getting scattered. When the solution is said as homogeneous, it means the particles are evenly distributed in the solution and do not get settled at the bottom of the container. As the amount of the particles present in per unit volume of the solution is equal everywhere, the particle density is higher. The Brownian effect is not observed in the true solution, and even the Tyndall effect is absent. Why the reason of the Brownian effect and the Tyndall effect is absent? When the light is passed through the solution without getting the scatters, so the molecules are not present, it's easy to dissolve it. So the Brownian effect and Tyndall effect is absent. And for example of the true solution, water plus salt, mixed water to salt, evenly distributed the molecules and mixed in the easy well. Another one is water plus sugar and pellet plus water. Another one is colloidal solution. What is colloidal solution? True solution is the homogeneous mixture. Colloidal solution is the heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture of the two or more substances where the size of the particles lies between 1 to 1000 nanometer, as known as the colloidal solution. The colloidal solution is the intermediate between true solution and the suspension, though it is also liquid phase. When the starch in dissolved water or gelatin mixed in the water are the example of the colloidal solution. Here the tiny particles will float instead of getting dissolved. Likewise, the true solution, the particles of the colloidal solution are invisible through the naked eyes but can be observed with the electron microscopes. The separation of the colloidal particles can be done through the parchment paper but not through the filter paper. The particles can be obtained by the process of centrifugation where they will get settled at the bottom. As the mixture is the heterogeneous type, the particles are not evenly distributed in the solution. At the same time, this colloidal solution is a Brownian effect and the Tyndall effect is present. Why? The molecules is does not evenly distributed in the solution, so the light will pass through the solution and without scatter. So the Brownian effect and Tyndall effect is present in the colloidal solution. And example of the colloids: milk, fog, smoke, blood, evenly human blood. It's also the colloidal formation, so easily absorbed to the antibiotics and another type of the injections. And another one application in the paints. It's also the nature of the colloids. Application of colloids. What's the application of the colloids? Rubber plating, sewage disposal, smoke screen, purification of water, cleaning action of soap, in medicine, formation of delta, photography, artificial rain. And another one application is the pharmaceutical industry and then process of the antibiotic process. For example, is the penicillium is the nature of the colloidal formation, so it is easy to merge into the blood plasma and put into the intravenous injection. It's easy to action. Last one is suspension solution. What is suspension solution? Suspension are the mixer when the size of the particle is more than 1000 nanometer, when the soil is dissolved in water which is stirred strongly. After some time the particles of the solution get settled at the bottom of the container due to the gravity. The particles in true solution are visible through naked eyes. Brownian motion and the Tyndall effect is observed in suspension. The picture about the soil is dissolved into the water, is settled into the bottom, so the particles will settled into the bottom, so the Brownian and the Tyndall effect is present. Thank you.